Welcome students. Today we can learn about LCM. What is LCM? The least common multiple. We can solve LCM in a simple and easy way. First, what is LCM? That is the multiple of one or two numbers, and we have to consider the smallest number that is multiple of those number. In a simple way, from the common multiples, the LCM is the smallest number. So, to solve LCM, different ways are used. First, by using multiples, using prime factorization, and by repeated division, that is ladder method. In this video, we can solve LCM by using multiples and other method by other videos. First, by common multiples method, find the LCM of 3 and 4. In first step, we have to write multiples of 3 and multiples of 4. First, we can write multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 means we have to write tables of 3. So, first multiples of 3 is written as 3. Then the next to 3 is 6. Or we have to add 3 to each number. Then the next is 9. Next to 9 multiples of 3 is 12. After 12, the number is 15. To write the multiples of 3, the tables are very important. We have to have thorough of all tables. After 15, the number is 18. After 18, the multiples of 3 is 21. Next to 21 is 24, and so on. Then the next we can write multiples of 4. That is tables of 4. So first the multiples of 4 is 4. Then the next to 4 is 8. Or in a simple way we have to add 4 to each number. Then the next to 8 is 12. And the next to 12 multiples of 4 is 16. Next to 16 multiples of 4 is 20. After 20 the multiples of 4 is 24. Then the next is 28, and so on. So now we have completed the multiples of 3 and 4. So the next step is we have to find the common multiples of 3 and 4. That is the common number in both 3 and 4. So 12 and 24 is common in both multiples of 3 and 4. So we have to write the common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12 and 24. As we discussed earlier, LCM is the smallest number of common multiples. So while comparing 12 and 24, the smallest number is 12. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So for better understanding, we can now solve next problem. Find the LCM of 12 and 15. So in first step, we have to write common multiples of 12 and common multiples of 15. First we have to write common multiples of 12. That is tables of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 and so on. Or in a simple way we have to add 12 to each number. Then next we can write multiples of 15. The multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120 and so on. So now we have written multiples of 12 and 15. Now we have to, next step is we have to write the common multiples of 12 and 15. Common multiples means we have to check in both which number is common. So the common number is 60 and 120. So common multiples are 60 and 120. We have to always remember LCM is the smallest number of common multiples. So in 60 and 120 the smallest number is 60. So LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. That is smallest number of common multiples. So the first step is we have to write multiples of given number. We have to find common multiples and smallest among the multiple. That is LCM. Now we may have a question. Why we did not consider 0? We will not consider 0 because the LCM of all number will be 0 if we consider it. So we will not write 0 for finding the LCM. Thank you.